Hello student, today we have to study about the expanded form. For class 6, topic knowing our numbers. Under the knowing our numbers, today we have to know how to write expanded form of any number. We add the place value of all the digits of a numerals to write its expanded form or expansion. When we write the expanded form of any number, we add the place value of all the digits. अगर यदि हम किसी नंबर का अगर एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखना चाहते हैं तो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म को लिखने के लिए हमें सारे डिजिट के प्लेस वैल्यू को ऐड कर देना पड़ेगा। सारे डिजिट के प्लेस वैल्यू को ऐड कर देना पड़ेगा। When we add the place value of all digit, that is called expanded form of that numerals. Here we take an example and I will show you how to write the expanded form of any numerals. So what is the place value? How place value is obtained by the place value into the place value. Place value of a digit, place value of a digit is equal to place value into, first of all you have to write the place value into the position of the value, position of value. Place value position value. How to get, for example, this is a numerals and you have to find the place value of 3. So place value of 3 is equal to face value is 3 into position value. What is the position value of 3? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 1000 is the value of 3. So we multiply by 1000. Face value into position value. Position value of this place is 1000. So 3000 is the place value. And in the same way, if you want to know the place value of 3, place value of 4, place value of 4 is equal to face value into position value. Position value. Face value of 4 is 4 into position value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh. So multiply 4 by 1 lakh. 4 1 ja 4. 4 lakh. So this is the place value of 4. In this way, you have to find the place value of the digits. You can also get the place value by shortcut method. For example, 2, 4, 9, 3 5 6 7 हियर यहाँ पे आपको 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा 3 आफ्टर 3 रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स नंबर ऑफ रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ जीरो जितने भी डिजिट पढ़ते हैं उतने जीरो आपको यहाँ पे लिख देना है 1 आफ्टर 3 1 2 3 डिजिट तो 1 0 2 0 3 दिस इज प्लेस वैल्यू 4 after 4 how many digits after 4 1 2 3 4 5 so write 5 1 2 3 4 5 in this way you can write the place value of numbers so here all of you know how to write the place value of any digits in a numerals but here we have to write this numeral into expanded form हमें इस नंबर को expanded form के रूप में लिखना है solution number is 2 4 9 3 5 6 7 equal to first of all we have to write the place value of every digit and add so we start from left 2 into 1 2 into 1 now count the digits after 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus now place value of 4 into 1 now count the remaining digit after 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 plus 9 into 1 after 9 how many new digits 1 2 3 4 4 0 1 2 3 4 plus 3 after 3 how many digits 1 2 3 1 2 3 plus 5 into after 5 there are 2 digits 1 1 2 plus 6 into 1 how many digits after 6 1 0 plus 7 into 1 this is expanded form of this numerals now multiply this 2 1 ja 2 and write all the zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 1 stands 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh 20 lakhs plus 4 1 ja 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 stands 100 1000 10,000 lakh 4 lakhs plus 9 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 1 2 3 4 1 stays 100 1000 10,000 90,000 plus 3 1 ja 3 1 2 3 3000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. This is expanded form of 24,93,567. और इसको you can write in other ways, दूसरे तरीके से भी आप लिख सकते हैं 2493567 equal to write 2 after 2 how many digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 after 2 write 60 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus after 2 there is 4 how many digits after 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 plus 9 how many digits after 9 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 plus 3 how many digits after 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 plus 5 how many digits after 5 2 digits plus 6 how many digits after 6 there is only one digit 7 1 0 plus 7 there is no any digit after 7. So in this way you can write any numerals in expanded form. Here I did show to all of you how to write any numerals in expanded form. For writing any numerals in expanded form, we have to add the place value of every digit. So here there are two methods to write the expanded form of any numerals. This method in which you have to multiply, and second method there is no need to multiply. By seeing the digit you can write the place value. By these two methods all of you can write the expanded form of any numerals, either that is in Indian method or international method, number system. So I think all of you have understood how to express any numerals in the expanded form. All of you should know one thing, that place value and face value of 0 is 0. Face value of 0 and digit of unit place is same, it is. This is important point, that face value of 0 and digit of unit place is same. यूनिट प्लेस की जो फेस वैल्यू आप 0 फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू of 0 and digit of unit place is are same. Are same. It. For I will show you 2, 3, 4, 6. Here the face value of 6 is 6. But place value also 6. Face value and place value both are same. When and if second example 2, 0, 4, 6, 8. Place value and face value is 0 and place value is also 0. So the place value and face value of 0 is 0 and place value and face value of unit place is also same. The value of the place value and the place value of unit place is equal. Both are same. And in the same way 0 is at any position in numerals, but the place value and place value are both will be 0. So student, today we have studied about the expanded form of any numerals. How to write the expanded form of any numerals, and here we have solved the questions related to expanded form. I solved these questions for you and I told you face value and place value, where the place value and place value of any digit is equal, and when the digit is 0, the place value and face value what are they. So I think all of you have understood this to write the expanded form of any numeral. So I think all of you have understood, and you can solve these types of questions from your exercise. So because these types of questions in given in your exercise book, in your text book. So I think you will be able to solve these types of questions. So I will see in next video with you with next topic. So it is sufficient for today, and we see in next video with next topic. Thanks to all of you.